Hi bro, come on Geek! Today I'm giving you a tutorial to use a toolless RJ45 connector. The material need for this tuto: two connector 45 here, a category 6 or 5 Ethernet cable like that, a network cable striper here, and a cable tester. The advantage is that it is easier than with a crimping tool. So we will make a thread cable with the T568B standard, which is universal.
Here is the material I use: toolless RJ45 connector, with a color. Yes. Okay, it's only to add the wire, a category 6 or 5 Ethernet cable, a network cable striper, and a cable tester. Okay, now I must to strip the cable. Yes, the cable, and I use a network cable striper. It's easy. Okay, when I finished, I can separate the color: green, orange, brown, or blue. It's very easy. I make the cable B, so for the color I look and I connect as indicated. Up, white, green, then white, brown, then brown. Below, white, orange, then blue, and finally white, blue. It's easy. We follow the color only. Okay. I put wire by wire in the connector. As I said, I start with white, green. Each time I close the connector. Okay. White, green. Okay. And I close the connector, so that the wires are well inserted. I don't need to strip the wires. I retry. Okay. 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 Try. Okay. White, green. Okay. Crack. Okay. The wire are well inserted. After the green. Now I will speed up the video because it's always the same thing. I will also to the other side of the cable the same way. It's always the same, color by color. Up. Okay. After down. White, orange. Wire by wire. We can take your time. We can retry if it's false. It's very, very, very easy. Okay, finished. The same for other side. And now I can use the cable tester. Sorry. I test that the cable works well. Each terminal has the light up. If there is a mistake, it's because I made a mistake in placing the wires in the connector. I can start again to put the wire back because it shows the one that does not work. Okay. The green color is okay. And all wires are okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's perfect. My cable is perfect. That's fine.
For regular use, I recommend the traditional method with the crimping tool. But if you make a connection once every 5 years, that your eyesight has a diminish, like me, and that you have a big finger, a RJ45 connector with a tool can be useful. For the moment, I do not have enough insight on the lifespan of the type of the connector. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell. I will see you next time. Bye!